Hi folks, welcome to Masterclass. This one is all about leveling your camper or your caravan. If you're on a site, there's uneven ground and the trailer is leaning over to one side, normally what people would use is what we call a stepped ramp. This sort of thing has 3 levels in which you can raise one wheel just to get everything level. They're great for caravans and campers, and certainly if you're having to raise one side considerably, these are the item to use. But if you've only got small variations or you don't happen to have a set of these with you, there is a hack that you can do where you can raise one side of your camper or caravan using the stabilizer leg without stressing the stabilizer leg. We've said many times, don't wind up the whole weight of a camper while you're winding up a stabilizer leg, because you can break the little bevel gears and shear pins that are inside them. But in a fixed position, they are quite strong. So I'm going to show you how I can lift the other side of this camper without winding it up on the stabilizer legs, but instead using the jockey wheel. Just looking at it by eye, I'm estimating that to get my camper trailer level, I need to raise this side, the driver's side, by about 2.5 to 3 inches to get it level right across. So to do that, I'm going to wind the jockey wheel down and raise the back of the camper. Now I'm going to go and put this stabilizer leg down, then wind it back up. Of course, the jockey wheel is made to take that kind of lifting force. It's a 500 kilo jockey wheel. So if I wind that down, put the stabilizer leg down, then raise the front of the camper, physics says I should have a level camper by the time I'm finished. Now I can wind up the jockey wheel and see if I've guessed it right on the amount I had to put the stabilizer leg down. A little bit more. And that looks about right. So I've now got my camper level across it. So I can wind this up a little bit more, drop my other front stabilizer leg down, get the weight even on both so they will support this side of the camper. They're not supporting the entire weight, but I am in the safe zone because I'm not winding them up. I've actually got them in position so I'm not stressing the gears, simply loading it up. Now with longer caravans, if you've got a say a 16, 20 foot caravan, I don't recommend you do that this way because you will get twist in the chassis and you don't want to be stressing joints and things like that in cabinetry. Camper trailers and small compact caravans, this is a great way to do it. So there you go folks, there's a great hack if you forget your step ramps and you've got to level your trailer. For more information and great tips like this, go across to our YouTube channel and check out the entire masterclass, and follow us on Facebook and you'll see each one of these as we post them.